Hey, it's Dottie, and I just am so busy lately that my mind is just kind of overwhelmed with everything that it's got going on and then everything that it's got to process, and I just can't even spit the words out properly. So I don't think I'm going to say a whole lot tonight. Instead, I'm going to show you a bunch of clips from a car show that we went to tonight after work, and just to say that I had a good time at that show. We just walked around. I didn't really talk to anybody. I don't claim to know a whole lot about cars, but I do claim to like them. I watch my husband work on cars. I, have changed the brakes on the cars and, things like that. Simple stuff, but as far as what's under the hood, or what car has what motor, or what sounds good, what doesn't, that kind of thing, I'm not so good at, but I do enjoy a good looking car. So I saw a few of those tonight, so that's all for tonight. I'm just going to share the clips I got from that. No guarantee on how good they are, because there was a lot of people around there and some music going on, and I wasn't sure exactly how much I could share because I had never been to one of those, so I was, kind of being a little inconspicuous, sorta, not really, but some of those cars were just, wow. I was like, sweet. I could so see myself driving that. Oh yeah. Yeah. Cute little Dottie behind the wheel of some sexy beast of a car. It just doesn't sound right, does it? But if I couldn't even tell you right now if I could pick any car I want, what I would pick. I do think that it'd be kind of fun to do car shows, but and I can almost see myself and my husband doing that, later on down the road, because he does enjoy working on cars, and I kind of seem to do well helping out at times. Not that that's my first choice all the time, but it is fun to have something that you can do together, spend time with, so I could see us doing that. But what kind of car would I want right now? If I could get a car, I would like an older style muscle car, some I don't know, maybe a GTO or something. I don't know. I really don't know. I can't answer that. How about you? If you could get any car you want, what would you get? Anyway, alright, I will see you tomorrow. Peace, love, smiles. Make it a good day. Bye. Sweet. GTO. That is sweet. That is sweet. 68. Sweet. Sweet. That's awesome. Damn, this is sweet. Chevelle. Nice. Oh yeah, Corvette, baby. That is awesome. There's a dead man in the back seat. That's creepy looking. This car's huge. It's huge. That's freaking sweet. Okay, yeah, that's creepy. Creepy. Sweet looking Impala. Oh yeah, I'd drive that. So cool. So cool.
Sweet. Love it. Oh, look at this skull on the front. That's cool. Hello.
No, not really. Oh my.
Mercury Comet. 61 Mercury Comet.
That's near and dear to our heart. We're just kind of partial to being born in the USA. Let her go.
Hippies use the back door on that van right there.